Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix lag on Roblox easy and fast. So all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Roblox. As you can see, this is a server. Now go to the top corner, click on Roblox logo and then go to the settings page. And now all what you have to do here is so simple. Just scroll down and make sure to make the graphics quality as lower as possible right here. If you have a higher quality, make it lower. And now all what you have to do is go back, and this time all what you have to do is relaunch the Roblox and it's gonna be works. Don't forget to like and try it, and please leave a comment, and see you later in the next video. See you later.